So children, I told you that density of the liquid is given in SI system. It means first of all you have to convert. There is a short work you have to do, that you have to convert density of the liquid in CGS system. ठीक है, so 600 kg per cubic meter you need to convert it into gram per cubic centimeter. Now can I write 600 can be written as 600 kg upon cubic meter, so is equals to 600. Now you know 1 kg has how many grams? So at the place of kg we can write 600 into 1000 gram. Yes, and cubic meter can be written as meter into meter into meter. Fine. Now 600 into 1000 gram, and you know 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. So this 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. This 1 meter into 100. This 1 meter 100 centimeter. Now after solving we got 6 upon 10 gram per cubic centimeter. Therefore our density becomes 0.6 gram per cubic centimeter. Fine. Now we have converted our density in CGS system, gram per cubic centimeter, because the volume was given in CGS system, that was in cubic centimeter. Now you can easily find the mass of the liquid. Mass of the liquid is equals to density of the liquid. Density of the liquid you have already converted, 0.6 gram per cubic centimeter into volume of the liquid. Volume of the liquid will be the same volume of the bottle, that is 100 cubic centimeter. Now cubic centimeter gets cancelled, and after solving you will get mass of the liquid is equals to 60 grams. But children, question is not over here. You have to find the mass of the bottle plus mass of the liquid. Now mass of the empty RD bottle was already given in the question, 45 gram, and mass of the liquid you have determined just now, that is 60 gram. Therefore mass of the bottle plus liquid is equals to 60 gram plus 45 gram, that is 105 gram. The mass of the bottle when filled with liquid is 105 gram. So children, the question was very easy. In this question, as you know that volume of the RD bottle was given, mass of the empty bottle M1 was given 45 gram. ठीक है, and you need to determine what M3 आपको निकालना था. You know that mass of bottle plus liquid is your M3. So mass of bottle plus liquid निकालना था. Now mass of bottle plus liquid के लिए mass of bottle was given in the question, but mass of liquid was not given. So mass of liquid के लिए you need to determine density of the liquid into volume of the liquid. Volume of the liquid was already given 100 cc, but density of the liquid was given in SI system. So first of all, your priority was to convert 600 kg per cubic centimeter into gram per 600 kg per cubic meter is equals to gram per cubic centimeter में आपको convert करना था. And then you can find the mass of the liquid and at last mass of the bottle plus liquid. I hope children it is clear to you, and I have tried my best to explain you this question. Please do watch this video at least twice to understand this thing. Now coming to last numerical children, that is numerical number 5. An empty RD bottle weighs 60 gram. Okay. Now again I will write whatever is given. An empty RD bottle weighs 60 gram but weighs 120 gram when filled with water. Empty RD bottle. अभी मैंने आपको बताया अगर empty RD bottle का mass दिया है that is your M1. And how much 120 gram weighs when it is filled with water. Now it is the combined weight is given, that when this bottle is filled with water, what is the weight given? 120 gram. So this will be your M2. When the bottle is filled with an unknown liquid, and when third time when this bottle is filled with an unknown liquid, it weighs 90 gram. Means the bottle plus liquid weight, combined weight is given how much? 90 gram. Calculate the volume of the RD bottle and density of the unknown liquid. Now children, as I have already explained you this thing, that suppose if the mass of the empty RD bottle is given, mass of the empty RD bottle is how much? M1, 60 gram. I told you the empty RD bottle is denoted by M1, and mass of the empty bottle plus when that bottle is filled with water, how much M2 is given? 120 gram. And third thing, mass of the empty bottle When it is filled with any unknown liquid, that is called M3. That time the combined weight is given 90 gram. अब आपको निकालना क्या है बेटा? You need to determine the volume of the RD bottle. Now for finding the volume of the RD bottle, you know, since density is equals to mass upon volume, density is equals to mass upon volume, you need to determine the volume of RD bottle. Volume of RD bottle is equals to, means वॉल्यूम निकालने के लिए क्या हो जाएगा? मास इंटू डेंसिटी. यस, और आपको क्या निकालना है पहले? वॉल्यूम ऑफ द आरडी बॉटल. मीन्स वॉल्यूम ऑफ द आरडी बॉटल. सो चिल्ड्रन, वॉल्यूम ऑफ द आरडी बॉटल कैन बी कैलकुलेटेड इन टू वेज. ईदर यू टेक द मास ऑफ द लिक्विड और यू टेक द मास ऑफ द वाटर. बट वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू टेक द मास ऑफ द liquid because you don't know the density of the liquid. Density of the liquid नहीं दी हुई है. Density of the liquid is not given. So you cannot take the mass of the liquid for finding the volume of the RD bottle. Because I told you children, चाहे हम bottle में liquid भर दें या water भर दें, same will be the volume. But here for calculation we are not taking the mass of empty, mass of liquid. We are taking mass of water because we already know the density of the liquid. Density of the water हमें पता है, इसीलिए we are going to take the mass of the water. Why we are not taking mass of liquid? Because we don't know the density of the liquid. Now this thing you will understand here children. Now for finding the volume of the RD bottle, mass of the water you can easily determine. How you can determine mass of the water? This thing I have already explained you. अगर आपको मास ऑफ द वाटर चाहिए तो कंबाइंड मास ऑफ बॉटल प्लस वाटर, दैट इज M2 माइनस मास ऑफ एम्प्टी बॉटल. सो कंबाइंड मास ऑफ वाटर प्लस बॉटल 120 ग्राम माइनस 60 ग्राम, दैट इज 60 ग्राम. नाउ सिंस वॉल्यूम इज इक्वल्स टू mass upon density. Sorry children, this thing I have explained you this thing wrong. It's not that volume is equals to mass into density. Volume is equals to mass upon density. Okay, this thing I have not seen here. Okay, now you know that since density is equals to mass upon volume, yes, so volume is equals to mass upon density. So what is the mass of the water? 60 gram. And density of the water you already know in CGS system, 1 gram per cubic centimeter. Yes. Now, volume of the water after solving 60 centimeter cube or 60 cubic centimeter. And density of unknown liquid how much? Density of unknown liquid is equals to, what will be the for finding the density of unknown liquid? You require two things. Mass of unknown liquid upon volume of unknown liquid. Mass of unknown liquid was not given, which you can calculate by M3 minus M1. Yes, I told you, suppose if you have to find the mass of the liquid, so combined mass of liquid plus bottle minus mass of bottle. So 90 gram minus 60 gram, 30 gram. So density of the unknown liquid is equals to mass of unknown liquid upon volume of unknown liquid will be the same volume which you have find here. Yes. जो भी वॉल्यूम आपने यहां निकाला है वही वॉल्यूम लिक्विड के लिए भी होगा, दैट इज 60 क्यूबिक सेंटीमीटर. नाउ आफ्टर सॉल्विंग यू विल गेट 0.5 ग्राम per cubic centimeter. So children, just once you go through all these things, first of all that activity, the numericals which are given in the example, and then with this video, it will be more clear to you. Thank you class.